Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best sink cleaner is probably one of the most underappreciated cleaning products in your home. We all use our sinks daily, but how often do we really think about the gunk and grime building up in the drain? Today, we're diving deep into the world of sink cleaners, exploring the best options to keep your sink sparkling and your drains flowing freely. Get ready to say goodbye to clogs and hello to a fresh, clean sink. Number 5. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste. This is the Pink Stuff, the miracle all-purpose cleaning paste. It's designed to tackle tough stains and grime effortlessly. You'll get sparkling results on various surfaces. It's perfect for use on kitchen and bathroom surfaces, tiles, glass, and stainless steel. This versatile paste is your go-to cleaner for almost any household mess. The Pink Stuff is tough on dirt but gentle on surfaces. It removes stubborn stains without scratching or damaging, leaving surfaces spotless and shiny. Simply apply a small amount of paste to a damp cloth or sponge. Rub gently, and rinse away for a clean and polished finish. It's ideal for everyday cleaning tasks. Enjoy a fresh, clean scent after every use. The Pink Stuff leaves your home not only spotless but also smelling great with its delightful rhubarb fragrance. What we like? This cleaning paste is perfect for those stubborn, hard-to-remove stains. It's gentle enough for everyday use but powerful enough to tackle grime. If you're looking for a multi-purpose cleaner that delivers sparkling results on various surfaces, you should consider this one. What people say. It really cleaned my floors by just mopping, not a lot of elbow power. It worked wonders. It actually lifted the grime up with minimal effort. Number 4. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Multi-Purpose Cleaner. Introducing the Pink Stuff Multi-Purpose Cleaner. It's formulated to eliminate stubborn stains and grime. This cleaner leaves surfaces sparkling clean with minimal effort. This cleaner is perfect for various surfaces. You can use it on countertops, stovetops, tiles, and sinks. It is ideal for every room in your home. Cleaning is now quick and easy. Simply spray and wipe for an instant clean. The convenient spray bottle design ensures an even application. This cleaner is gentle on surfaces. It ensures no scratches or damage while effectively removing dirt and stains. You can trust it to keep your surfaces safe. Enjoy a clean and fresh-smelling home. The Pink Stuff Multi-Purpose Cleaner leaves behind a pleasant fragrance. It makes your cleaning experience more enjoyable. Achieve a streak-free shine on various surfaces. It leaves no residue, ensuring a flawless finish every time. You'll love the results. From the Pink Stuff, a brand known for high-quality cleaning products. Trust in its reliability and performance to keep your home spotless. It's a name you can depend on. What we like? This cleaner offers a streak-free finish, leaving your surfaces spotless and shiny. It's great for those who want a quick and easy cleaning solution. If you like a product that leaves no residue and a fresh scent, you should consider this one. What people say. It cuts through grease, grime, and soap scum with almost no effort, and it leaves everything looking fresh and clean. Doesn't leave a film residue. This product works amazing. Spray and wipe the scum instantly, clean surface. Number 3. Garbage Disposal Cleaner Deodorizer Tablets, 24-pack. Is your kitchen sink smelling less than fresh? These tablets are designed to eliminate those unpleasant odors. They will leave your kitchen smelling clean and citrus fresh. This cleaner works with all kitchen waste disposal models. Whether you have an InSinkErator, Moan, or any other brand, it will work for you. It's designed for easy use. Simply drop a tablet into your drain once or twice a month. It's a quick and easy way to care for your garbage disposal. This will keep your kitchen smelling great. Enjoy the refreshing scent of orange and lemon. These tablets use simple ingredients to clean and deodorize. The scent is pleasant and not overpowering. This 24-pack provides up to a year of maintenance. It's a great value compared to smaller packets. You will have plenty to keep your disposal clean. What we like? This product is specifically designed for garbage disposals, ensuring compatibility with all models. It's easy to use, requiring only monthly application. If you have a garbage disposal and want a convenient, effective cleaner, you should consider this one. What people say. The first time I used one, the garbage disposal sounded a bit rough, chopping it up and it foamed in both sinks. My garbage disposal now stays fresh and clean, and I don't have to worry about lingering smells in the kitchen anymore. In my garbage disposal, these tablets produce a satisfying foam like that shown in the product video. It leaves the disposal looking clean and smelling fresh. Number 2. Rejuvenate Lemon Scent Disposer and Pipe Cleaner. This product is designed to clean and deodorize your disposals and pipes. It's easy to use and helps keep everything fresh. The formula uses bioenzymatic power to break down food waste. This helps to prevent buildup and keep your disposal running smoothly. Enjoy the wonderful fresh lemon scent that this product leaves behind. It will make your kitchen smell clean and inviting. This cleaner eliminates odors, ensuring a clean and fresh disposal. It helps maintain a pleasant environment in your kitchen. Each pack contains 6 pods, and it's recommended to use them weekly. This helps prevent buildup and keeps your disposal fresh. What we like? These easy-to-use pods clean and deodorize disposals and pipes. The bioenzymatic power helps break down food waste. If you are looking for a product that leaves a fresh lemon scent and prevents buildup, you should consider this one. What people say? It cleaned out buildup, improved water flow, and eliminated odors quickly and effectively. Using it was easy, just pour it in, run the water, and let it do the work. They are easy to use and it really cleaned out any smells that were there. Number 1. Active Garbage Disposal Cleaner 24-pack. Is your kitchen sink smelling less than fresh? These tablets are designed to eliminate those unpleasant odors. They will leave your disposal smelling clean and citrus fresh. This cleaner is safe for all kitchen waste disposal models. Whether you have an InSinkerator, Moan, or any other brand, it's compatible. You can use it with confidence. Simply use 1 or 2 tablets per month for maintenance. It helps eliminate odors, prevents clogs, and protects your appliance. It's a quick and easy way to care for your disposal. Enjoy the refreshing scent of orange and lemon. These tablets use simple ingredients without bleach or enzymes. It smells great and cleans effectively. The heavy-duty scrubbing foam cleans food, dirt, and grime. These concentrated tablets offer more cleaning power. They are more effective than typical refresher beads. Each pack provides a 12-month supply. It lasts much longer than smaller packets. You'll have peace of mind knowing you're covered for a whole year. Drop 1 tablet into your disposal and run water for a few seconds. Then, turn on your disposal until the foam is gone. For larger units, use 2 tablets. What we like? This cleaner has a deep cleaning action with a septic pipe safe formula. It offers a bulk pack, providing a year's supply. If you have a septic system and want a powerful, long-lasting solution, you should consider this one. What people say? Definitely cleans the disposal and leaves a crisp scent. Works really good. Easy to follow instructions, foams up to fill the disposal and works to clean it to shine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.